Para ihalo na sa birthday celebrator ang cake para kapangalo ako.
Kiss me.
Daniel.
Oh!
Iris. Ano ningalan ka cake mo to? Sa Goldilocks ni?
Buta?
Think about cake siguro ni? Abi, dito na ako. And this is for me. May kasabihan nga cake is like love. It doesn't come always, so you have to grab it. Ayan. Ata ah? Do you agree? Yeah. Do you agree that cake is like love? When it comes, you have to grab it. Grab it.
Di ini.
Okay. Thank you.